This video is going to introduce you to Gimp. Gimp is an acronym, kind of, which stands for New, or GNU, Image Manipulation Program. Gimp is an open source and free image editing tool which has versions for the Mac OS X, Windows, and Linux operating systems. Gimp is an awesome free tool that works similar to Photoshop in that it can work with layers of an image. In fact, it can even edit Photoshop PSD files. The big difference between Photoshop and Gimp is the price. Gimp, again, is free. Photoshop is far from it. So head on over to gimp.org and check out some of the links over here on the right-hand side. But the main one we're interested in right now is this guy right here. So go ahead and click on this. Heck, you might even want to go ahead and bookmark this page so you can always refer back to it later on. Go ahead and click on download, and I would go ahead and check this one out here, just mainly because there's some additional stuff here like the frequently asked questions in case you have a problem during the downloading process. And if for some odd reason you are interested in an older version of Gimp, then here's where you can get them. Otherwise, go ahead and click on the download link. Then you just click on the download link here, and it'll take us to sourceforge.net, where the installer will begin to download here. And then you just navigate to the location on your computer where you want to download that file to. Click on save, and it's an 80 some odd megabyte file. So depending upon your internet speed will depend on how long it's going to take. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until this gets done. Okay, we've completed our download. Now to install, we just simply right click. Now I'm in Windows 7. So I'm going to right click and run as administrator, and not really sure how any of this is going to show up on the video, but click on yes. It's a pretty straightforward installation process. Okay, and click install. And at the time of this recording, this particular version is 2.8.6, in case you didn't notice that earlier. But right there it is. And the first time this loads up, it might take a little bit to start, so don't worry about the length that it takes to start up the first time around. Okay, click on finish, and let's go ahead and open up our software. And the installation process puts a little icon on your desktop, so go ahead and click on that to open it up. And it says here this may take a while, and a lot of this is going to be edited out of this video, so if your process takes longer than what this video shows, well, that's why. And it shot everything just outside of the view of the video, so let me see if I can kind of squeeze things in here. And that's it. And there's a ton of stuff you can do with this with the various tools you have here, and whenever you select a particular tool here, you have the details of that tool here, and here's where you can create a new image, or you can create from your clipboard, from a screenshot, from a scanner or a camera, or you can open a file that's on your computer somewhere. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on an introduction to Gimp. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.